Okay, so I just made a video for this one. Let's cross that out. So we're trying to solve this number 10 here on the interval of 0 to 2 pi and see where all the angles are that will make this a true statement. Okay? So we need to first get rid of or simplify sine x over 1 plus cosine x. Okay, and since we have been dealing with half angles, maybe you recognize this as being a half angle identity. Hopefully you do, because that's exactly what we're going to do, is replace sine x over 1 plus cosine x with a tangent of x over 2. Okay, that is the half angle identity that is identified in almost every pre-cal textbook. Normally we go from this and we simplify like that. Well, this time we're solving, so we're going backwards, so that we only have one tangent thing. Okay, so now we have the tangent of some angle divided by 2 is root 3 over 3, and we want to figure out what angle that is. So the first thing we do now is to get rid of tan, and we get rid of a trig by inversing trig it, so we're going to inverse tan both sides. Okay, and that of course cancels out your tan. So we have x over 2 is equal to the inverse tangent of root 3 over 3. So hopefully you know that this requires you to answer the question, at what angle is the tangent have a value of root 3 over 3? And on your unit circle that occurs in two places. One of them is at pi over 6. That's where the tangent is root 3 over 3. And the other one is at, let's see, there it is, 7 pi over 6. I was looking at my super chart. So there are two places on your unit circle between 0 and 2 pi where the tangent has a value of root 3 over 3. So we include them both in your equations. There are two places, so we have two final equations. So now we multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 1/2. Okay, we'll do it over here also. And then we reduce. So 2 pi over 6 reduces to pi over 3. And 7 pi over 6 reduces to 7 pi over 3. Now if we look back at our interval, it says that we want between 0 and 2 pi. So pi over 3 checks out. That's between 0 and 2 pi. But 7 pi over 3 is more than 2 pi. Okay, so 7 pi over 3 will not actually be a solution, even though it is a good answer. So the only solution to this problem is just going to be pi over 3.